The psychology of addiction, understanding the root causes and treatments. Addiction is a complex and often misunderstood topic. Many people think of addiction as a moral failing or a lack of willpower, but the truth is much more complicated. In this video, we'll explore the psychology of addiction and how understanding the root causes can lead to more effective treatments. Addiction is a brain disease that affects the reward center of the brain. When we engage in pleasurable activities, like eating or socializing, our brain releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter that makes us feel good. But when we engage in addictive behaviors, like using drugs or gambling, our brain releases an excessive amount of dopamine, which can lead to changes in the brain that make it harder to quit. For example, let's say you have a friend who struggles with alcohol addiction. You might wonder why they can't just stop drinking, but the truth is that their brain has been rewired to crave alcohol. The root causes of addiction can be complex and multifaceted, but they often involve a combination of genetic, environmental, and psychological factors. Another way to think about addiction is to imagine a train going down a track. The train represents the addictive behavior, and the track represents the brain's reward center. The more the train goes down the track, the stronger the connection between the behavior and the reward center becomes. Over time, this can lead to addiction. Effective treatments for addiction involve addressing the root causes of the behavior. This might include things like therapy, medication-assisted treatment, or support groups. By understanding the psychology of addiction and addressing the underlying factors, we can help people overcome their addiction and lead healthier, happier lives. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos on mental health and wellness. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We'd love to hear from you.